Okay, so we had some Zoom meetings with parents, and there wasn't a ton of questions, but some things that we did talk about was just how to get through Dojo and basically how to access the classroom site because next week we'll have new days with new packets. So I will post um, our new packets online unless you requested a paper copy. So if you go out, I have linked our classroom site in our class story section. So if you just get on your app and you click on the class story and you scroll down, you can look for the class site, and I'll post the class site a couple times a week. That way you don't have to scroll down all the time. So all you have to do will say class site linked. You can click on the link, and this is our classroom site where you can find things. This is the home page. So on the home page, I have our weekly schedule. So on Mondays, that's when I'm going to post that Monday message, and the things that are shared in that Monday message are going to be things for the week and also activities that will enhance and extend the activities that are in the NTI packet. So, the activities that are in the Monday message are for fun and extra work to extend the lessons. The only thing you really have to worry about is the NTI packet itself. Tuesday, you just do your NTI instruction. On Wednesday, I'm going to try to post a Wednesday words video, which is Wednesday words from Miss Ernest, and it's going to have some stories and activities that go along with our theme for the week. Like this week, it's spring, and next week, it's going to be bugs and insects, and also activities that go along with the packet. So that way, when you watch those, you can take those off of your plate. On Thursday, you just follow your NTI packets. And then on Fridays, this is when I will schedule a Zoom meeting. We are going to attempt to now schedule a Zoom meeting every other Friday with your class. Okay, so next week we'll go ahead and say the AM class is going to have a Zoom meeting. If you're in the morning class from 7:45 to 10:35, you will have a Zoom meeting. Let's say we can start next Friday at 2 o'clock, not the PM class, just the AM class. Then the next week, that will be the PM sessions. If you're in the afternoon class from 11:35 to 2:35, then that will be the afternoon session the next week at 2 o'clock on Fridays. So that way you only have to worry about a Zoom meeting one day a week. And our Zoom meetings are going to be linked as much as I can remember over here in our Zoom meeting tab. So right here, if you just click on that link, it will take you to the meeting, hopefully. Next is my contact information and my office hours. I will hopefully always be able to check my phone or schedule a time to meet with you from 3 to 5. Okay. That's going to be kind of like my office hours. I have my phone with me all day, of course, but I'm really trying to set that side a time um, aside so I can work with you if you need it. This is where our NTI packet info is going to be. So if you look over here, this is our NTI packet info. We'll have the letters here about the packets, and then I'm going to post the new packets underneath these tabs. It will be NTI packets days 11 through 20. And then if you scroll to the bottom, it has ways to participate. That way I can check off that your child is participating. On our site, we also have resources here. If you click on this button here, which I meant to do this before, this takes you to our preschool website for Fayette County. And if you click on NTI, oh man, then our director puts videos on here for every activity. So you can find that there. And then we have fun links, which is tons of fun things you can do, and shout outs.